What is everyone, this is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant ran out of video memory trying to allocate a texture error that you may be getting. So let's go right into this. So this is essentially a memory error, or let's just say memory allocation error that happens, and there's an actual very easy way to fix this. So what you need to do is you want to go to your search bar and type in advanced system settings until you see this pop up. In here, we're going to click into, you're going to be on advanced, you're going to click into performance settings, and then in here, you're going to go to advanced again and click into the virtual memory settings and change this. So right now, it's automatically doing what it needs to do, right? It's saying basically right now like about 5 gigs is being allocated, right? A little bit less than that. So you can change it from automatic and have it to basically a custom size. And this is where you're going to essentially change or allocate what you need to from a memory perspective. So that's basically what you need to do over here. Now you need to know how much size that you can essentially allocate over here. So you need to know how much RAM you have, and then you need to do the calculation for that. Like if you have 8 gigs, 16 gig, 32 gigs, how much you want to basically put in here. Again, the system's automatic allocation might not be accurate, hence why you need to do it, because it tells you right now, like, this is what's recommended, this is what's allocated, and this is the minimum one allowed. No, you go from it from your perspective, and then you allocate it there from what you think is what you should be allocating. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all you do it. So yeah, once you do this, you guys should be good to go and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, if you guys have a video, please thumbs up. Guys, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm all tutorials out. Peace.